What's the meaning of ballpoint? Ballpoint. Ballpoint.
Ballpoint. Ballpoint. The term ballpoint typically refers to a type of pen that uses a small rotating ball made of steel, brass or tungsten carbide to transfer ink from the pen's reservoir onto the paper. The ball on the tip of the pen rollerballs across the paper as the user writes, dispensing a consistent amount of ink. Ballpoint pens are known for their durability, ease of use, and their ability to write smoothly on a variety of surfaces. They're often preferred over fountain pens or other types of writing instruments because they don't require frequent refilling or careful handling.